Sandra here from the Salvation Army patchworkeasyas.com. This year in our classes we have been going back to basics. Let's start with your sewing machine. If you are just starting patchwork and you've had a really good faithful old sewing machine for years and years, keep it. You will have to upgrade your sewing machine later on, further down the track, when you want to do free motion and more advanced quilting. The basics you need for a sewing machine are the up and down needle position, the speed regulator, a blanket stitch or blind hem stitch for applique, a vertical spool pin for when you're using different types of thread or when you want to thread your bobbin and not have to unthread your machine. You will need a 1/4 inch foot, but I'll show you how to sew a straight line in a minute. You will need a walking foot for when you are quilting straight lines. You will need a darning foot, or I call it a pogo foot because it goes up and down, for free motion quilting. Try and get one with an open toe. Sewing a straight line. Even if you have a 1/4 inch foot, I tell my ladies to buy some electrician's tape or masking tape and to lay it on your machine so that you will feed the fabric in from the bottom up straight line to the foot, not coming in just at the foot. It gives you a far more accurate line. I have a pair of snippers that I wear around my neck so that it's quick and easy to cut off the threads. I also have an ironing board that I put on the level of my table so that as I sew a seam I can just swivel around and iron it and come back again. And I use a bridge. This is a bridge, just a piece of fabric that you have left over, some scrap, that you feed into your machine before you put your proper fabric down. Sometimes if you're putting the foot right on the edge of the fabric, it eats it up. So start with your foot on the bridge, then go into your proper fabric. It won't eat it up. Come and join us at the Salvation Army patchworkeasyas.com. For $4.95 a month, you get hundreds of patterns, instruction sheets and videos, and you will be helping another quilter somewhere else in the world.